This is going to be a very quick introduction to using the Reasoning PowerPoint app. I'm just going to cover the mechanics of using the tool. For the theory behind argument mapping, you'll need to look elsewhere, for example, some of our online offerings. Okay, I'm just opening a fresh empty page here. First off, of course, you need to find the tab on the ribbon, the Reasoning tab. Here it is. And then first step, you'll want to generally create a new diagram. I'm just going to create a basic diagram and add text. Dogs are good is my contention, and my reason for thinking that is that dogs are friendly. So that's pretty easy. I can resize this at any time just by dragging the handles there. To add an additional reason, I just select the thing I want to add to and then click, for example, on the reason icon up there, and then I can say, well, dogs are, what else are they? They're happy. Similarly, I can add, if I like, an objection, and so forth. Add as many as you like. I can get rid of that by simply selecting it and clicking delete. I can delete objects one at a time, or I can delete a whole branch at a time by clicking on delete branch up on the ribbon tab. I can also add, of course, supporting arguments, or in this case I'll add some supporting evidence, such as, for example, my dog is friendly. I can add what we're calling here bridging claims, or elsewhere is called, for example, co-premises or assumptions, just simply by selecting an object and clicking on the bridge icon up on the ribbon. Don't need two of them at the moment. Add my bridging claim here, friendly is good. Okay, one thing you'll often want to do in argument mapping is move things around, and that's pretty easy too. If I've got another reason here, I'll just space this out a bit. I can change the order of these two reasons, for example, by clicking left here, or switch it back. I can move any object up, down, left, or right, assuming that topologically that's consistent with the map structure. So there's no drag and drop in this, unlike some other packages. To move things down, I just continue clicking down to where I want it. Sometimes there's a bit of puzzle solving involved in moving an object to where you want it. I can also cut and paste entire branches. So, for example, I can click that inference, cut the branch, select this reason, and just paste, and it's put in underneath there. I can move that whole branch down. So you can get the idea. All the standard things you might need to do to an argument map can be done by these clicking and cutting and pasting sorts of operations. Another feature here is I can add an evaluative overlay. So if my dog is friendly is according to me true, I can just simply give that a tick. For the moment, for purposes of argument, I'll say friendly is good is questionable, and indicate that the inference from these premises to the contention has no force. Okay, well there are other things there, but for the moment that is